What's up, guys? Clocks07 here. And today I'm going to be showing y'all the difference between a quartz clock movement and a mechanical clock movement. So first up is the movement itself. So if you look at the face, you could see there's no holes on the Howard Miller State Borough. However, if you look at the Howard Miller Arlington, you could see that there's holes in the face. Well, that's for the key. So now we're going to turn both these clocks so they're facing my back. And go do the same thing to the Howard Miller Arlington. Alright, I'm going to turn my flashlight for this. Then we're going to go ahead and open both these up. So let's first take a look into the Howard Miller Arlington. As you see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 hammers. And also, you can see a little time wheel up there. Well, the difference in between the two Howard Millers is this is a mechanical movement, and if you look to the Howard Miller State Borough, you can see a battery showing a battery movement. And next up is, how does it chime? Well, if you look here, the Howard Miller Arlington uses chime hammers and chime rods. However, if you take the Howard Miller State Borough and look up down below, you could see a speaker. It uses a speaker to chime, and there's even a volume adjuster. So now I'm going to close that. I'm going to turn off my flashlight. So now we're going to open this up, which gains you access to the face. You have a key which you use to wind your clock for the Howard Miller Arlington. But the State Borough doesn't have one. You see how it runs is it runs on batteries. And it chimes off a speaker instead of the chime hammers and chime rods like the Howard Miller Arlington. Last but not least, the prices. The Howard Miller State Borough on the right is cheaper than the Howard Miller Arlington on the left. Why is that? Well, the quartz movements are more common and are more seen in stores than the regular mechanical movement seen on the Howard Miller Arlington. So to sum it up, the Howard Miller Arlington would be more expensive. And that is the difference in between quartz and mechanical clocks.